serious issue was reported. Malwarebytes flagged one of our workflow JSON downloads as potentially malicious. In a channel committed to zero filler and pro-level results, the security of our community is non-negotiable. Here is the 3-minute security check. First, let's be clear. A ComfyUI workflow file is a JSON text file. It is a blueprint that describes which nodes to connect and what settings to use. It cannot, by itself, execute malicious code. The only way it can pose a risk is if it instructs ComfyUI to load a custom node that you have previously installed, and that is malicious. This means the warning is almost certainly a false positive, a common occurrence when a powerful behavioral scanner like Malwarebytes or SentinelOne sees a compressed JSON file downloaded from a community platform like Discord. To prove this, we ran tests. I immediately ran the exact downloaded JSON file through my system's protection, SentinelOne. As you can see, the file is reported as clean. SentinelOne is an enterprise-grade, AI-powered security platform. Using a tool of this caliber to verify the file's safety demonstrates our commitment to pro-level vetting. For independent verification, we also uploaded the file to a multi-engine cloud scanner. This service tests the file against dozens of leading antivirus engines. The results confirm our findings. The file is clean across the board. The ultimate pro-level check is to look at the code itself. Using Notepad++, we can search the raw JSON text for any suspicious command patterns that indicate harmful execution. I am searching for key Python calls: eval, exec, OS system, subprocess, and install. The search returns nothing. This workflow contains only ComfyUI node logic. We guarantee this commitment to clean, open-source files in every single one of our videos. We host the workflow JSONs here on our Discord server because it is the fastest and most transparent way to share the file and the resulting high-resolution images with our community. Our entire channel, the 3-minute node, is 100% free. Our Discord is 100% free. We only use and share open-source tools. We are sincerely sharing decades of professional expertise and ComfyUI knowledge, and we can only thrive on the honest support and trust of our audience. We rely on this community goodwill, not paid products, to deliver our high-efficiency workflows. We are committed to maintaining the highest security and transparency. If you receive any warning, please follow our example, check it with a third-party tool, and inspect the JSON itself. We will always correct course immediately. Stop watching. Start creating securely. And that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.